Good morning. The Model X is packed. I mean, really packed. Every conceivable spot's packed. We ended up bringing some of the snacks back, but we are packed and packed. Let's take a look in the back. Well, there you go. Hello and good morning. It is Sunday. We are leaving the convention. We are headed over to the supercharger here in Pigeon Forge. Otherwise, it'll be close when we get home. The Sentry mode was on the entire time, using a little bit of energy, which caused us to have to charge for 10 minutes or so here locally. We're going to hit the road. Head home. It's about 123 miles to the house. So let's go. Sunday morning traffic here on the Parkway. Sitting in line for my Scottish breakfast, and I look in the mirror and you look back there. Every one of those cars have their engine running with their foot on the brake. And we've been here now for probably 12-15 minutes. Just got our Scottish breakfast, headed over here to the supercharger here. Gonna get a few minutes of charge and down the road.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Yep, our destination is on the right here at the supercharger.
Now your destination is on the right.
We're hooked up here to the V3. Only getting 75 kilowatts. I actually moved stalls. Still getting 75 kilowatts. I guess the state of charge is probably 50%. It's all right. Rival now with 2%. I just need probably 15% at home, and we're good to go. So we'll charge up a little bit. Rival percentage of 28% here now, which is fine. We're going to make a stop in Hendersonville on the way. We're also now routed via the Foothills Parkway, which is very direct. Probably the reason why I have a higher percentage of arrival. He wanted to take me up on Highway 411 by Bush's Beans, but now it got smart and it's taking me this way. I'm on autopilot going through the gorge here now. As you can see, very windy. There you have it, autopilot on super windy roads. And I didn't even have to grab the wheel. Yep, just went to El Paso for lunch. Good lunch. Heading home now. Just got on the interstate on autopilot. Getting down the road now, just about home. Wow, what a trip. I drove all the way to Pigeon Forge, pulling a U-Haul 5x8 trailer full of stuff. We used most of it at the convention. I ended up dropping the trailer off earlier in the week, let the Model X here sit for about 4 days. We jumped back in, drove all the way home today, stopped for a little lunch at El Paso, and it is good to be home. Now I've got to unpack this thing. It is absolutely stuffed with everything. Hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon going forward. If you would like to buy yourself a Tesla solar roof, Go ahead and use this referral link below. It gets you $500 discount. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.